Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing the ways to go to Facebook Market. So if you're using the Facebook app, Marketplace is one of the menu options visible on the home screen. So in order to head over to the Facebook Marketplace, first of all, you'll need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then you also need to go ahead and update your application. So to update your application, go ahead and open up your Play Store and then type in Facebook. And once you type in Facebook, if you see update instead of open, which indicates that the app needs to be updated. So in this way you can update your Facebook. If the app is completely up to date, go ahead and open it up and then log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be able to see multiple icons located right on top. So as you can see, right in between on the third last interface, there is the Facebook Marketplace. So the icon represents a Facebook Marketplace. If you are unable to see the marketplace, it might indicate that you're underage or that the particular feature is not available on your country. So you can go ahead and do a research, and that's basically how you can access or enable Facebook Marketplace. So that is all for this. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.